Okay, thanks for watching. Hey guys, I am back with another video. And today I'm going to do something very interesting, and I've never done something like this on my channel and never thought I would be. But I have a pretty cool makeup routine you guys should follow. I don't do my makeup every day. This is just something I do when I'm bored or when I'm filming TikToks or when I have to take Insta photos or just going out in general. I wouldn't say this is like my everyday makeup, but let's just name it that. So I'm gonna do a very natural makeup tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoy, hope you guys like, hope you guys subscribe. I am back. Let's get on with the video. Let's go. Hey guys, so I'm currently barefaced right now. Anyways, I'm gonna start my makeup routine clean and fresh with the drugstore baby skin. Oh, I'm just going to put this on as a base, and I don't feel like putting on BB cream. I'm just gonna put on some concealer. The Tarte Double Duty Beauty. Oh, I like that. It kind of rhymes. And I'm gonna put that on the areas need some help. I'm trying to use like all drugstore because I know it's like affordable for everyone. I'm sure this is called like the banana powder. I'm not sure what shade it is now because it's like literally all gone. So I'm gonna take a little dab of that because I don't want it to be like super cakey. So I'm gonna put a little bit under my eyes and on my eyelids. For some reason, I get like super oily on my eyelids and on my nose and then on my chin. Pretty annoying. I literally keep all my makeup in like all little tiny separate bags, and I can never manage to put them all in the same place. Anyways, I am going in with the Contour de Force mini bronzer from Ipsy, and I definitely recommend Ipsy because it's like you get like 5 products like every single month, and they're new and they're small, and then you can like see if you like them or not. It's a very good deal, and look how big it is too. Pretty good deal. I do my makeup every day. I don't like the feeling of makeup, but sometimes I like doing my makeup because it's like therapeutic, but I don't like doing it every single day. I'm not sure what I should call this. I feel like I do this makeup whenever I do like TikToks, so should I call it a TikTok routine? Makeup routine? Is that it? I don't know. I literally forgot the most important step, which is moisturizing my face. Way to go, Bella. Do I hate saying my name? Like, do you guys ever just hate hearing the sound of your name? Like being called out, or you just saying it out loud? It's not pleasing to the ear. Oh my god, literally when Taylor Lautner says it.
Bella!
Do some fake freckles. I feel like sometimes I have freckles like during the summer, but during the winter they disappear. In with the Dream Make So Susan cosmetic highlight, cream highlight. Oh my god, I literally spilled it all over my knee. Look at my hand. Oh, if you don't know me, you should know that I hate having like sticky stuff on my hands, like anything sticky, ever since I was like a baby. So I still keep that tradition alive. So then I am going in with my bronzer, my favorite bronzer. And then I'm putting that on my eyelid. I'm curling my eyelashes. And fun story, the last time I curled my eyelashes, I literally ripped my like a full-on section of my eyelash, and I'll insert a picture right here. And it was on Christmas Day, almost a year ago. And I literally bought this eyelash curler like not even 2 weeks ago. For now, I'm just going to take a spoolie, very dirty spoolie, and brush my eyebrows. Oh, this is my holy grail. This is the best product I have, and I take the longest doing my mascara because I'm very, very precise with like my makeup routine. Oh, I'm taking my Lash Sensational. This is a technique, and I'm going to start from the outer and then go in. So watch if you want to learn. Damn. Okay, and something so weird about me is that, like, let's say I'm running out of mascara. That is a fear of mine because if I open like a brand new mascara, I like already have to buy another one because I don't want to run out. I know that right after this video, I'm gonna take off all of this because I love mascara to death. That's something that I can like wear every day and then like not wear anything else. My lash routine just took me about 3 whole minutes. 3 whole minutes. If I'm feeling it, then I'll add some like dark eyeshadow just so I can make like a little wing. So I'll take my Morphe palette. Oh, you can see me. It's the 15H. My sister got me this. Thank you, Weston, if you're watching. Probably not watching this, but whatever. This shade right here, Manhattan or Last Call. Those are like the darkest. And then I make a little wing. Just a little tip. Make sure when you do your under eye liner, you go until the middle. Don't go all the way around. Because that way it makes your eyes look bigger. I'm taking the Estee Lauder Automatic Lip Pencil Duo. I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to give a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel because there is more videos coming, and there are more videos coming. And yeah, I hope you guys can look forward to that. And comment a video request. What video should I do next? So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!